Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cave Story. First, let's cover the basics of movement and interaction. You'll use the arrow keys or WASD to navigate the world, jumping with the up arrow or W. To attack, simply press the Z key, and for interacting with items or talking to characters, the X key is your friend. Remember to check your inventory and map frequently using the Q key to stay oriented in the vast caverns. Next, let's talk about your arsenal. Cave Story features a variety of unique weapons, from the reliable Polar Star to the powerful Spur. Each weapon gains experience as you defeat enemies, leveling up to a maximum of 3 levels. Higher levels mean more damage and often improved attack patterns. Be careful, though, taking damage will cause your currently equipped weapon to lose experience, so try to avoid hits to maintain your power. As you journey through the mysterious island, exploration is key. You'll discover hidden areas, new characters, and crucial items. Keep an eye out for health capsules. Collecting these will permanently increase your maximum hit points, making you more resilient. Important items like the booster will significantly enhance your mobility, allowing you to reach previously inaccessible areas. Always engage with the friendly and not-so-friendly inhabitants. They often provide vital clues or even new objectives. Finally, let's discuss combat and boss encounters. Understanding enemy attack patterns is crucial for survival. Learn when to dodge and when to strike. Don't hesitate to switch between your weapons to find the most effective tool for each situation. Your booster isn't just for exploration. It's also a powerful tool for evading attacks and positioning yourself advantageously during intense fights. Bosses are challenging, but with careful observation of their patterns and precise execution, you will emerge victorious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.